One day, Melvin R. Thompson went for a stroll through the neighborhood park where he met not a soul. But he heard something crunching. And there on the ground was an Oreo cookie, quite perfectly round. He next found Fig Newtons and jumped up for joy. And tripped on a chip from a lost Chips Ahoy. And then there were Toastettes all sugary covered. And Lorna Doone shortbread, he shortly discovered. I'll follow this trail to wherever it leads me, for clearly whoever put them here needs me. He passed Snackmate cheese spreads, the cheese made for snackers, and Premium, Ritz, and all manner of crackers. It's torture to pass them all by, but I feel there's someone who needs me. "'Tis I," said a seal. "I know you," said Melvin. "That face is familiar, but I don't know from where, and I couldn't feel sillier." "Then," said the seal sadly, "I'll give you a clue. I'm usually all red and white. Now I'm blue. Just look at my sign," he said, looking for Lorna. It said, "You'll find quality in our corner." "The Nabisco seal," cried Melvin, amazed. "What's the matter with you? You look perfectly dazed." "Well, you see," said the seal. "Oh, I haven't got time to tell you the whole long story in rhyme. The thing is, Nabisco wants the Nabisco seal to appear on the box of everything they bake, so people will know they're getting real Nabisco quality. But, gee, Nabisco makes hundreds of things. You know what it's like trying to sit on the corner of all those boxes, running from store to store, jumping from box to box? I'm exhausted." Your problem's not simple, like little Jack Horner's. You're only one seal, and there's too many corners. Why, say, there's the answer. Just look at that seal. He's shaped like a corner. Let's make him a deal. Of course that's my shape. I'm a corner seal. And I've brothers and sisters who are shaped just like me. We could sit for Nabisco quality. We're faithful and friendly and clever as foxes. We'd only jump up on Nabisco boxes. And so each Nabisco product you see has its very own seal of quality. So look for our nice, friendly seal when you buy. And you might stop to tell him that Melvin says hi.